The snowstorm of 2026 got you stuck in the house. This is day 3. As you notice, my time lapse of pictures are showing 3 days. Nothing has changed. Yes, it is cold in Dallas. Here's some things you can do. Add a few more steps to your walk. Don't forget to massage your feet. Check your YouTube views, check your channel, cook a healthy meal. Look at that salmon, brown rice, lemon, garlic, zucchini, some Old Bay, some black pepper. And don't forget to eat that healthy meal. Oh, and added some black eyed peas. And don't forget to learn a new AI app.